In this video, I'm going to show you how to resize a page in Affinity. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to have a document open over here, and you want to go to Document up top, and you want to hover over Setup and click on Document Setup. Now, this is where you can actually go ahead and set your page preset or set your own dimensions, okay? So, for example, if you want A4 or A5 or whatever, you could just go ahead, click on it, and then change it to whatever you like. So, let's right now change from A5 to A3 over here. I'm going to click on OK, and this is actually going to change. Now, if you want a custom size, you can go back in here to the setup, document setup, there we go, and then you can change your page width and height in here. So let's say you want to do like maybe 100 millimeters, and notice how this is going to automatically change and adjust, and this is because this link is enabled. So the aspect lock is automatically going to be enabled by default, but you can just basically turn it off by clicking over here, and then you'll be able to customize however you want this to look. So if I do 100 by 20 millimeters, you can see over here, this is going to look like that. If I now click on OK, it's going to change and resize the page. Now, one thing that's very important over here is that if you do have any designs or any vectors or whatever on here already, so if it's not just a blank document, what's going to happen is those are going to get cut out, okay? So just make sure you do know that that's going to happen whenever you are resizing your page. Things may get cut out and will need a reposition. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.